Hi, everybody. Welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to become a successful long-term real estate investor, then guess what? This video is perfect for you. We're going to show you the 5 different elements that you need to have to be a successful real estate investor over a long period of time. So don't skip out any parts of this video. Implementing all 5 actions is the difference between becoming a novice investor who doesn't go anywhere or becoming a long-term successful real estate investor who builds a successful real estate portfolio. Number 1, define your investment goals. Now, in terms of defining your goals as a real estate investor, you need to understand a couple of things. Is this something that you're looking to receive passive income? Are you looking to retire in a short period of time? Are you looking to buy multiple properties? Are you looking to flip properties and not so much build wealth, but build a higher income? These are all the different components that you want to look into and need to understand in terms of defining your goals. What is this trying to get you? Where are you now and where are you looking to get to? And understand the time frame that it's going to take reasonably to successfully get there. Like, another question to ask yourself is, are you looking to build a portfolio of only 1 or 2 rental properties, or are you looking to build a long-term sustainable portfolio with many different real estate properties in the residential, commercial, multifamily, even potentially industrial, which is going to take a lot more work, but having a plan and knowing how to work backwards is going to be uber successful in this field. Once you define your goals, you can then go about creating the plans and actions needed to successfully fulfill those in the real estate investing space. Number 2, determine your budget and financing options. A couple of key questions you need to ask yourself is, how much can you qualify for? How much are properties in the areas you're looking to purchase? What's the method of going about purchasing these properties? Are you going to purchase them in cash? Are you going to take out a loan? Are we refinancing properties? Are we working with joint venture partners? You need to look at the different methods in terms of how you're going to get to where you're going based on what you can qualify or based on the funds and deposits you have accessible. To become a successful real estate investor, you need to understand also of different methods of finance. You don't have to always put a 20% down payment to purchase a property from funds you have in your savings. You can work with other individuals, like through joint venture agreement. You can go about creative financing through vendor take back mortgages. There's different types of lending options you can use as well that'll help you get to where you're looking to go instead of looking about the more traditional methods in lending. By being able to understand and determine your budget as well as the different methods of financing, you'll be able to use different ways to go about successfully obtaining financing, building your successful real estate portfolio in the ways that other individuals may not have ever thought so. That'll get you closer towards your dreams. And also, very important, work with a mortgage specialist who works with different lenders who can get you the best mortgage based on your goals and plans. You don't want to just go work with one lender. We've mentioned this multiple times on our channel, because this can hinder you. By working with a mortgage specialist, this will definitely help you for long-term success. Number 3, conduct market research. With conducting market research, one of the most important things you're going to do as a real estate investor, especially when you're getting started, you need to understand the markets, you need to understand the property prices, rents, the vacancy rates, the economic fundamentals that are taking place in those markets, vacancy rates, and so many different elements that has to go with making your decision as to where you're investing. Also, with doing your market research, you need to understand what it takes to be an investor in some of these areas. Are there specific permits you need to have as an investor? What type of permits you need for renovations? What are the rules in the different states, provinces, and even cities that you need to abide by in order to become successful and not have any issues with the governing bodies? By creating market research, you'll be able to develop the plan needed for the area that you're going about investing into, as well as the type of properties that to successfully go about looking for properties and be able to find what you're looking for, get tenants in a short period of time, have your contractors ready to go in a short period of time to successfully fulfill the investment project that you're looking to fulfill. Remember, conducting market research and all the other steps are super essential. Number 4, develop a real estate investment strategy. Now, when it comes to developing a real estate investment strategy, you need to understand a couple different things. You want to understand the method that you're going about investing. Are you doing buy and hold? Are we doing fix and flips? Are we doing Airbnb? What other methods are you looking to go about investing? Are we doing joint ventures with the Burr method, right? Different things you need to understand. Also, you need to understand who is managing the project. Are we doing it on our own? Are we doing it with a partner? Are we doing it with a property management team? Who is going to be taking care of this project and successfully overlooking your portfolio? For many investors who are starting out, who live close to their properties, I would say it might not be a bad idea to kind of get a little bit of experience doing so. But as you continue to grow your portfolio, it's probably better to outsource those things so you can invest your time into things that are going to build your income and build your wealth. Another important element is understanding the types of properties that you're going to invest in. Are we looking at single family homes? Are we looking at duplexes and triplexes? Are we looking at commercial real estate? what can we qualify and what makes sense based on the market, and understanding that target audience that we need for that property. Remember, we need to understand our audience and be able to have the right property for our audience so we don't have any misalignments with our investment. Last but not least, very important, implement and review your plan. This is a very important step in terms of reviewing your plan because things can change, and I highly recommend you go about reviewing on a quarterly or semi-annually basis. The reason being to do so is because things can change in your goals and your objectives based on family, other types of things going on in your life that can really impact where you're looking to go, and you want to be able to review and see, are these steps actionable? Can we fulfill this in this time frame? If not, make adjustments. Maybe you want to be more aggressive. Maybe we need to make it less aggressive. Something that works best for you, your family at the time of the investment. And remember, your goals and your objectives can change along as well. So you may be starting out wanting 100 properties and then finding out that you only need about 5 to 10 properties to reach your goals and have less stress. So be able to make those changes needed in your plan is going to be super essential, especially when it comes to starting off going about it on a quarterly and semi-annual basis. There you have it, everything that you need to know about becoming a long-term successful real estate investor with having a plan in place. I hope this video was super helpful, insightful, and gave you everything that you needed to know. I'm Josh Tavares, investor and realtor with eXp Realty Brokerage. It'd be so great if you can help us out and hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to get updates on our newly uploaded content. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Take care.